Uh-oh. I'm having troubles already. It says trying to reconnect. I don't know. Hopefully this is still live. It says it's live. Mr. Squirrely, I appreciate you. Michael Feeney. White River Infused Honey Cap Cruise Special. It's got a beautiful color to it. So let's try a little bit. Bruce, thank you for the box and everybody who's contributed. It smells delicious, I'll tell you. Heard she's thick. Let's see how long this takes to pour us out a little. Ooh. Smells phenomenal. Beautiful color. Cheers, Cap Crew. Oh, wow. Thank you for the contribution on this. This is delicious. Now she doesn't want to pour. Oh, she's coming. Ooh, it has a nice burn on the tip of my tongue. I can feel it a little bit in the throat as well. That's good. Figure out some other applications for this bad boy. Thank you, Michael.